Hello, welcome to today's lesson on further maths. Today we'll be talking about division of polynomials. But before we go into detail of this study, I would like us to just do a flashback to what we actually learned in our last lesson. Okay, welcome back. Now, the last time we said something on polynomial, and today I would like us to do justice to division of polynomial. Now, when you talk about division of polynomial, what are we talking about? When a polynomial is being used to divide either another polynomial or is being used to divide a linear equation or even a quadratic equation. Now, how does it work? Let's say there is a pattern called the long division method. The long division method is the simplest way of dividing any polynomial by a given number. For example, from what you're seeing on your screen, 2x cubed minus 2x plus 4 by x plus 2. Now what you need to do is you bring it down. 2x cubed minus 2x plus 4 divide by x plus 2. Now let's start the division. 2x cubed divided by x will give us 2x square. Now 2x square times this will now give us 2x cubed, and 2x square times 2 will give us plus 4x square. You bring down your line. Remember how it works. This is 4 minus 2x is here, minus 2x is here, then minus, because there's nothing here, then minus 4x square becomes minus 4x square, then 2x cubed minus this goes off. Now that side is gone. We now have minus 4x square minus 2x plus 4. Now minus 4x square divided by this will give you minus 4x. Now minus 4x times this will give us minus 4x square minus 4x square, and minus 4x times this will give us minus 8x minus 8x. You bring down your line again. Remember, is this minus this, so this minus, there's nothing here, is plus 4. This, that's minus 2 minus minus, that is plus 6x, and minus this plus minus this goes off. Now we continue dividing. 6x divided by 6 will give you plus divided by x will give you plus 6. 6 times x will give you 6x, and 6 times 2 will give you what? 12. You bring down your line with a minus sign again. We now have this goes with this, so 4 minus 12 is minus 8. So with this, if this part is called the quotient, which happens to be the answer, this part is called your remainder. The number that you're dividing is called the dividend. The dividend. While what you're dividing it with is called the divisor. So in every polynomial, this is just the format that is being used to divide a polynomial in getting your answer. So what we have here is called, this is the remainder. That is to say, when this is divided by this, what you have is 2x squared minus 4x plus 6, and what will now remain is minus 8. That is the explanation of this division. I would like us, for proper clarification, to go into another question. Let's tag this example 2. If you want to divide 4x3 plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 7 by 1 divided by 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. You apply the same technique we used in the previous example. You place your 4x3 plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 7. Remember, this is the dividend. Then your divisor comes here, 2x minus 3. So with this, you now do 4x3 divided by 2x. You now have 2x squared. Now 2x squared times 2x will give you 4x3. Now let me tell you something. I want you to note, even when we did the first question, you discover that whatever thing you have as an answer, you multiply it by the divisor, you have the first value of this. And if it's not so, then go back to it, because there might be an error somewhere. Okay, let's move further. 2x squared times this will give you minus 6x squared. So this is minus 6x squared. You bring down your line. This goes off because there's a minus side. This minus this gives you 12x squared. You bring down your minus 2x and you bring down your plus 7. You divide further. 12x squared divide by this will now give you plus 6x. 6x times this gives you 12x squared. And 6x times this will give you minus 18x. You bring down your line again. With a minus side, this goes off. This becomes plus. So it's 16x plus 7. This divide by this will give you plus 8. No x again. 8 times this will give you 16x. And this times this will give you minus 24. You bring down your line. And the same subtraction, this goes again. So 7 plus this will give you 31, because the minus sign converts minus times minus becomes plus. So what you have is 21. So the remainder is 31. Our divisor is 2x minus this. This is our dividend, and this is the quotient. Quotient happens to be what? The answer. So I actually think with this, you will be very conversant now with division of polynomial. So in order for you to go ahead and refreshing your memory on what we've just discussed, I'll advise you take the test that you're seeing on the screen. You make sure you follow all the procedures that we applied in analyzing and evaluating this polynomial. And do well to also use the lesson notes on the platform for a better information on the topic we've discussed. Feel free to always drop a question on the comment section, and we'll be very happy to attend to you. See you in our next class. Thank you.